Okay, okay. Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Great, great, great. So, can I start with the questions? Yeah. So, how was your experience working on this narrative of Idiot Box? And can you tell us about your role in the web series?
First of all, I can't tell you anything about my role because you have to wait and watch the web show for that
Yeah.
because it's a huge surprise.
Okay, okay.
As it was a surprise for me also because when the concept came to me, I was really, really thrilled. And why I was thrilled because these guys have used one genre for one episode. It's one story. It's a
Okay.
love story
Yeah.
like all the Hollywood, Bollywood people, they want to share one story with us, right?
Hmm.
Normally, in everybody's career, we try to do a love story. So it was
Hmm.
a love story. Initially I was like, okay, okay, love story. But when they told me what is going to be the treatment of the show, I was really excited because one episode is a thriller, another is a musical, third is a comedy, fourth is a Southern India, then the Big Boss. So I was really thrilled with the idea first, and what my role is going to be a suspense for all of you and all the viewers. But I really enjoyed the process.
Yeah. Because all we saw in the trailer of the show, it was only a few seconds of your ऐसा झलक मिल गई सिर्फ. So is it a role similar
So I'm
to which you have done?
not going to say anything more than that.
Because पर्सनली स्पीकिंग मैंने आपको बचपन से देखा है ऐसा सोनपरी का रोल तो मेरे दिमाग में आप वैसे ही सोनपरी हो तो इज इट रिलेटेड टू दैट
The Sonpari can come in any shape and any size and any form. So I can't reveal anything, but
राइट
that I'm a part of this interesting show.
यस तो how was your experience working with the cast of the show?
It was very, very nice. Shivani and Shivraj are the new talent of Marathi industry, and slowly and gradually they are coming to web series also. For me, there was one more feather in my cap because this web series, Idiot Box, has been written and co-directed by my son, Virajas.
Oh, nice.
So I was very, very interested, and initially, honestly telling you, there was no role for me. So
Oh,
जब मैंने ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट सुना तो ऐसा कि मेरे लिए कोई काम नहीं है क्या इसमें मुझे भी कास्ट कर लो यार बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चल रहा है and that's when I got into the show. It's a very youthful show, but if you see, there are many many veterans also who have joined their hands for one episode. Like there is Praveen Tade, there is Big Boss fame Pushkar Zog, then there is Suhas Joshi, and many more. So everybody was so impressed with the show. Though Virajas is my son, he never shares his things with me. He's into ads and he's into plays, he's into theater big time. And this was conceived by him. He just narrated me कि I'm doing something like this. So as a mother, I was a little worried because first I'm a mother and then I'm an actor, right?
right.
So I was कि पांच genre अलग अलग एक ही story. How will it work? Then he said कि I'll let you know after the shoot is over. And almost the shoot was over. Last 2 days were left. And he used to tell me कि ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ ये भी एक्टर आ रहा है वो भी एक्टर आ रहा है वो भी ज्वाइन कर रहा है आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस एंड देन आई सेड कि मैं क्यों नहीं हूँ इसमें यार मुझे भी कास्ट कर ले he said will you do it for us I said why not if it is an interesting thing why can't I do it for you and that is how I was casted see उल्टा
वाह.
nepotism है यहाँ
राइट राइट तो आपका आपको पूरा शूट करते टाइम भी बहुत अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा बिकॉज इफ योर सन इज आल्सो देयर so it must be different.
Yes, it is. Virajas is he has been trained in Whistling Woods International. He's a trained writer and director, so it has been my dream to work under him. but I'm waiting for the big opportunity where he casts me in the main lead
Yeah.
in a film. So I think this is a ये तो झलक है picture अभी बाकी है.
Right, right. So are you working on something else now? Lockdown है फिर भी ऐसे work from home वगैरह कुछ चल रहा है?
See, last few years I've been directing a few Marathi films. I already have directed 3. Um, uh, First 2 were written and directed by me. Third was written by Virajas and directed by me. So I'm working on my 4th film, and I'm really hoping, because I want to shoot it in the rains. I'm really praying to God कि lockdown जल्दी खत्म हो जाए, so that I can catch this year's monsoon. And I'm working on a web series as well as a director. And as an actor, मेरी 2 फिल्में ready हैं और 2 पे काम चल रहा है.
Oh, nice. तो बहुत कुछ है अभी लाइन में आपके लिए. So which one do you like the most, as being an actor or being a director?
I think now being a director, because it's much more fulfilling. It is much more trying also, but at the same time it gives you immense pleasure. कि एक आप, because I write my own films, वो एक कागज मतलब you start writing something is on your paper, and then it goes on floor, and finally it comes on the screen, and finally people watch it and they like it. Maybe they at times they don't like it, they comment positive, negative, everything, but this whole thing is very interesting, because as an actor normally people like you, they have been liking me in different roles because I've been acting for a long time now. But direction is a different high. Yes.
Right. So hopefully I'll see you soon in many other projects. Those were
Going to
all
see
my
me
questions.
in Idiot Box,
Yes.
because it is
Now
releasing today and 4 different languages. So
yes.
not only Maharashtra, but in many languages people are going to watch it, and I'm eagerly waiting for the response
Yes.
as a mother also and as an actor also.
Yes.
Also because it's a very, very interesting idea. So as a member of the industry also, I want to know the feedback of the people,
Right.
how they react to this. Because love stories are told for years and years, but these guys, they have tried something different. So let's see
Right.
how people take it.
Yeah. I'm sure people will like it because different genres in one. So it is something which is very attractive to watch also.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Those were all my questions. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Rajita. Nice
Thank you.
talking to you.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.